All right, this is February 21st, 2025. Heavy snow in Houston. Let's see the damage. Wow, it's been snowing since about 11:30 last night. It's I would say about 9:30 right now. Wow, look at the taco. She's covered up, but she'll still start because got it plugged up. All right, let's see. Hopefully I don't slip this thing.
You are currently being recorded.
Ooh, hopefully I don't bust my ass. Wow, about a couple of inches of snow. Oh, that's definitely ice. That's dangerous. Yeah, definitely not going to work today. Not in the office. I work from home. My roof is covered up in snow. Yeah, this is all ice. That's dangerous. See if I don't want to slip and fall. Okay. That's ice. Dangerous. Stick to the powdery stuff. Pretty cool. Or should I say cold? All right, we're just going to retrace my steps. Oh, that's ice. I'm going to use the leaf blower to clear this up later. Yeah, it's all powder. See how the backyard looks. Oh, I'm getting wet. All the snow on me is melting, getting wet. That's okay. Oh, the dock's frozen. There you go. That's how you hide it. This is a backyard. Ooh, it's cold. Never thought I'd see powdered snow in Houston. I saw powder. Yeah, good thing I got that covered. That's a sprinkler system. It's weatherproofed. I can hear my baby through the window. All right, I'm gonna head back outside. Head back inside. It's cold. I'm gonna use my leaf blower to clear out the driveway. Yeah, this is pretty heavy stuff. Didn't think this would happen, but it did. It's our hiding spot. Yeah, it's cold. Come on. Those little ice cubes. Oh, slushy. Yeah, I need to clear this out before they turn into ice.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Cool stuff.